Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out workout and meal plans on the MyFitnessPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now it is loading in, but in a few seconds you will be able to, which is the fourth option down below. And here you can select from meal plans, nutrition plans, workout and walking plans. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. And here if you scroll down you can check out plans such as high protein or low carb plans. Here you can see an overview of the plan, and here you can see the duration, difficulty and commitment. If you want to try this out, tap on the try a plan for free button down below, and if you go to the schedule section you are going to see the schedule for 4 weeks. If you go back you can also check out the nutrition and workout plans as well. There are a bunch of options that you can choose from and the method is the same. So first you check out the overview, so you get a brief introduction to the plan itself, and if you are interested in, click on the try a plan for free button and then you will be able to start your 1 month free trial. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.